it's Terry Gaines. I want to share some product that's currently available in the Stampin' Up! Clearance rack. Just to note, clearance rack items are limited quantities and only available while supplies last. The product I want to share is called Big Plans Planner Kit, but to me it's more than a planner kit. I have to share the beautiful product in this kit. Along with receiving everything in a box, which is perfect to just gift, you can purchase it the whole thing as a gift, or you can separate it out and use it in multiple different ways. You receive a little brochure that will explain everything that's in the kit. The album you receive in the kit is absolutely beautiful. I'm not sure if it shows on the camera, but there are some silver foil flowers throughout the album cover, and it's such a beautiful spring color, perfect for teenage girls, or actually any age would love this album. You do receive 12 divider sheets, or 13 divider sheets. 12 of them are for the different months, and then you get the last one for the notes. They fit right into the 3-ring binder. And then you receive some additional pages that you will separate and put into the planner if you want to use it as a planner. So I'm going to show you the back side of each divider for the months. We'll have the month. You can write in the date, so it's good for every year. You receive 12 of the sheets that are Thursday through Sunday. And then on the back side of that is the Monday through Wednesday. You're going to receive 48 sheets that are Thursday through Sunday with the Monday through Wednesday on the other side. And then you'll receive 12 sheets that are Thursday through Sunday with a note option on the other side. You can use this as a planner. You can actually use these pieces as a refill for your current planner, or you can add some rings to them and use them outside of the binder. An idea that I have is you can keep the divider sheets in the album, have your month here, and then just write down family activities that you do, and then go ahead and add the next page, but adhere these two together. So when you flip this over, you have some additional notes, and you can purchase the Stampin' Up! 6x8 variety photo album inserts, and they fit perfect for this. Or you take all of these pieces out and just add the photo pages, and you'll have a beautiful photo album. Along with the additional things you receive in here, you're going to get 10 note pages. These are indicated to be put in the back in the note tab section. You get a page lifter that helps you just find the current spot you're in for your planner. You get 2 insert pieces that are pockets, double-sided pockets, and then you get some adhesive stickers. Several pages, or actually 4 of them, 2 different color combinations, are meant for your planner, your shopping date, birthday, haircuts, etc. Just little reminder stickers, fun for planners. And then the other 4 sheets are adhesive decorative stickers. 2 of the sheets are printed with a white border, and 2 of the sheets are foiled are beautiful foil stickers. And an idea is to actually create note cards with those stickers. So you can include a couple different things to add to the kit that makes it very versatile. You can purchase the photo pages, as I mentioned, and you can purchase a package of note cards, or you can actually decorate any of your cards bases that you already have. And just a tip on what I did here is I put a piece of torn scratch paper over here and took a sponge and lightly colored in the border. For the sticker ones, I put the stickers on first, then added the color. And for the foil ones, I put the color on first and then added the foil. So it's an amazing product, limited availability. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Take care, and we'll chat soon.